o pahingi.
Oo. Kaya nga, whenever I do session on health and wellness, I would always start with rediscovering, for those who, who cannot yet find God in them, I would always say it's about rediscovering our tradition for health and wellness.
Yes.
But, for people who believe there's God, then I'd rather do the rediscovery session on God's gift for health and
God
wellness.
gifts,
Ano ba yung special gift niya sa Pinoy? Kasi halimbawa, when I went to Camotes Island, I was
Camotes is
island,
where?
Cebu, and then 3 hours
Cebu.
out.
Okay, yeah. Because I ate your kamote yesterday. Iba yung association ko.
Sige.
Okay.
I went to Camotes Island.
Alright.
The first thing they said was, Doc, doon sa resort where I went, sabi niya, Doc, walang gulay dito. But all
Walang
around the place,
gulay?
wala raw gulay doon.
Okay, walang
sorry how we
gulay.
were not able to buy gulay.
May lupa
But around
sila.
the-
Dapat
oo.
may gulay. Oh.
But around the resort were malunggay, talbosang kamote, saluyot, at saka ibang pa. Tapos may tanim din silang papayang hilaw. Sabi ko, hindi, simple lang, I'll find my gulay, you cook it for me. So, turo ko rin how to cook it. So, sabi ko, ayan o, pwede na sa akin yung papayang hilaw. Tapos, pwede mo siyang gataan, tapos lagyan natin maraming malunggay. Tapos, ganito lang kasimple yung gagawin natin. Tapos, pwede ba ilagay mo sa magandang lalagyan?
Yeah.
And then, the next thing I knew, tinitikman nila yung pinaluto ko. So,
Okay.
ganito lang siya kasimple. When we
Yes.
offer kamotes, let's offer something that's kamotes. Kasi if I
Yeah,
would not
Camotes Island. Dapat maraming kamote.
No,
And it's
no.
supposed to
Even
be good for
something-
diabetics, ha?
No. Something that would, showcase the bounty of the harvest of the land and the catch. Hindi ba? Yun yung surprise mo ko with.
Yes.
Yes. So sabi ko, halimbawa, if I cook something, like if I'm to prepare a noodle from Camotes Island, I would use resources they got from their field to cook
Yes.
my noodles with. Then I would always call it Camotes noodles, Camotes
or
whatever, or
casserole
Camotes
or
surprise,
whatever.
And then you give me your catch for the day. And then, so ako, every time I want to taste, to remember, or to, to bring back yung memory nung aking sarap
Visit.
nung kamotes,
Oo,
then I would
yeah.
go to your place. I would always go back. May time ako.
The
Pupunta ako ron because
association,
then,
yes. I know I'll get that.
oo, gusto ko yung ganung lasa this time.
Distinctly.
Distinctly, it's kamotes.
Yes.
So, kahit asan ako, alam ko yun, why I will go back. Kasi kung halimbawa, ang iluluto niya sa akin chop suey, ba't ba naman ako doon pupunta? Sa layo ng binyahe ng mga gulay to go to that island.
Yes. For
Di
the cabbage to
lungkot na
get
siya,
there.
di ba?
Yes, oo.
So alam mo rin what they would do. They would try to preserve that cabbage. They would try to
Okay.
preserve that carrots. Para
Yes.
pagdating ko ron, tigas na yan. Ano
Oo.
pang buhay ang kukunin ko rin? It's not
Nalanta
just
na
about,
siya. Freshness.
even if it's still not lanta. The
Okay.
fact that hindi siya lanta because it's preserved. Di
Okay.
ba pinatigas siya ng mga lahat ng pampatigas na nilagay mo riyan? So,
Yes.
looking fresh but not fresh. Di ba?
That's true.
Parang yung mga patay nating naka-imbalo sa mo. Di ba? Hindi pa naman sila decaying. They
Okay.
look, kuminsan nga when we look at them, sabihin natin, parang buhay. Because
Parang
they were
buhay.
so well preserved.
Preserved.
Pero wala niyang buhay.
Yeah.
It's not just about eating nutrients.
In fact, my daughter has turned to vegetarianism. I'm still working at it, but her advice is, and I have this book called Nutritional Healing, okay? The advice there is awesome, Doctora. I know you want to espouse it as well. Try to eat 70 to 80% raw. In other words, ang vegetables, bubuhusan lang ng hot water para malanta, but you're not supposed to percolate.
Parang ganito rin siya. Halimbawa yan. Westian na concept. Tayo nagluluto tayo. Kasi alam mo kung bakit. Yung mga gulay kasi galing sa malamig na lugar, they would have heat in it. So yung energy niya, pampainit na talaga.
Okay.
Yung gulay natin, pampalamig. So, ite-temper natin siya ng init.
So okay lang
magkaiba
sa atin
tayo.
i-boil.
Cook siya.
Cook.
So, magkaiba tayo. Kaya halimbawa, yung pinakbet.
Pinakbet.
Diba?
Dinding.
Pinakulubot ang ibig sabihin.
Pinakulubot.
Di ba?
Yeah, okay.
So, iba siya. Bakit? Kasi ang dami niyang lamig. So, tanggalin natin ng konti. I-temper natin siya. Pamaitin natin siya ng konti. At yun din kasi, what we did to our vegetables, nung nakita natin yung mga gulay ng Amerikano na malalaki, matataba.
Yeah,
Akala
they
natin,
look good.
Oh,
Kuno.
yung
Yeah.
good natin ay
Visually good. Looking.
ginago nila.
Okay.
Oo. Imbes na yung mga wild, parang yung ampalaya.
Oo.
Bakit ka nahihirapan mag-alaga ng ampalaya? Eh, samantalang doon sa mga area na pinupuntahan natin, wild lang yan.
Pero
Ganyan
mga
kalalaki.
bubot sila, they're not the long,
Totoo,
nice.
bakit ba si Manny Pacquiao, hindi naman siya malaki?
Ganun
Hello,
pala yan.
tama na. Hindi
Yes.
lang ang malalaki rito.
Be
ang
proudly Filipino. That's why I wear,
Diba?
Filipiniana
Diba? Kaya
dress.
gusto
I'm
kong
trying to
sabihin
promote.
sa iyo na,
Pride.
yung mamang yon ha, yung idol natin, ang pambansang idol ng bayan, is a short guy.
Yeah.
Parang ganun din.
Oo.
When the American came, the first song they did was, Planting Rice is Never Fun. Bakit nga ba? Ang taas mo Paano kay Yuyuko? Hindi ka meant
This
yan.
is
It's
not the
for
lifestyle
us.
for them.
Hindi yan para sa iyo. It's for us.
Yeah.
Kaya nga, it's about time. 'Di ba? Pag pumunta tayo ron, let's make a spoof of this. 'Di ba?
Yes.
Ask somebody to remake the song. 'Di ba? To talk about, tayo kasi ang picture natin nagtatanim, may kumakanta, may ang daming harvest, yung mga kasi gano'n naman talaga siya, and that's God's gift.
Well,
Diba
in
kaya ang
fact,
bait natin Halimbawa, darating lahat ng kamag-anak mo sa bahay, okay lang, pakakainin mo. Dati, okay lang yan, kasi pagkakain na tayo, kukuha lang naman ako ng pagkain sa babae. And I'm so good at cooking at those veggies that I got from the
my
garden.
background. Yeah,
Lahat
my
kayo. Ilan ba kayo?
backyard.
Sige,
Oo,
hindi nyo
yeah,
kaya yan.
oo,
In fact, sa sobrang dami ng mga gulay natin, a lot of the other gulays and fruits are fed to animals.
Oh, I
Hindi
know.
ba kaya sasabihin nila, pagkain niya ng baboy, pagkain na rin niya ng baboy. Lahat na lang pagkain ng baboy.
I was
And now, nalagay na lang siya doon sa pagkain ng baboy.
Yeah.
Nakakalungkot yun. Kasi,
Yes.
kaya siya naging pagkain ng baboy because sobra-sobra siya.
Sobra,
Hindi natin
sobra,
maubos.
Right.
Kaya kahit may dumating na isang barangay na kamag-anak, okay lang. That's why we're always been hospitable. Ganyan tayo. Kaya
Fiesta.
alam mo nga,
The whole town will eat.
whenever I go around communities, tatawagin ako ng mga nanay doon. Dito, kumato ka, walang magbibigay sa iyo ng tubig. Pero you go around communities, pag nagutom ka, pag nakita ka nila, tatawagin ka, Dok, daan muna, inom ka
No
muna ng
matter how
kape.
small the
Yes.
nipa hut, it's clean and they're
Yes.
hospitable.
Tapos sasabihin nila, daan ka muna, inom ka ng kape. Tapos sasabihin ng mga kasama ko, pwede ba yung kape sa gutom? Diba?
Kailangan
Sige po.
pakakainin. Kailangan
Diba?
meron munang pang-load.
Oo. So, ako, parang ang daming maganda sa bayan natin. Ang daming maganda
We
sa
are so
pagkatao
blessed
natin.
with so many resources.
Una, lagi ko rin nire-remind ang mga kababayan natin. Sa buong mundo, namumukod tangi tayo. Hindi lang dahil meron tayong pambansang idol, but even historically, pag tinignan mo, you go around, you see the world wonders. They're built with a despotic leader, di ba? May hari na gusto niya ng magandang libingan. May hari na gusto niya ng
Taj
magandang
Mahal,
palasyo,
yeah.
di ba?
Oo.
So, lahat na to. Even pyramid, di ba?
Yeah,
Meron
exactly.
tayong coercion dyan. Hindi gusto ng mga taong paggawa ka ng ganyan.
Okay.
But you know what we have?
The Banawi rice.
di ba?
The Tubatahari.
Hindi mo nga alam sinong gumawa noon. Wala kang leader na sinabi. It's a collective effort. Tayo
Yes,
sama-samang
the
kumilo.
bayanihan concept.
Mismo, yan yung ating tribute dyan, yung pagkatao natin. Gaano ba tayo kabait? Hindi para sa isang libingan, para sa common good pati.
Yeah.
Diba? Nakita mo ba? Para
We
sa
really have to
productive.
rediscover our Philippine richness.
Mismo. Diba?
Okay?
Gano'n ba tayo? Anong klaseng tayo? So, lahing magiting tayo. Lahing mahusay, lahing mapagmahal. Tapos, napaka-selfless nating
As a
lahi.
culture, yes.
Diba?
And
So,
that's
bakit
actually,
natin
we have
hayaan
to
sa
bring
ulain
back.
nila tayo by, telling us na lahat ng atin pangit. Diba? O, sige. Pag hindi ka makagraduate, magtanim ka na lang ng kamote.
Yeah, the
Yung
way
kahit-
they demeaned agriculture and farmers.
Yes, mismo.
When I was consulting for Senator Magsaysay, he was head of the Senate Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization. He told me, Dean, as my industry link, can you please try to convince the young sons and daughters of the farmers to go back to their hometowns and provinces, but to process, hindi na mag-aararo ng Carabao the way it was in the early 1900s, but to really find a way to get the richness of that provincial produce and process it so that tayo naman nandito sa city, makatikim man lang ng biyaya.
Bayaran natin silang mahal.
Parang,
hayaan natin, parang
yeah.
ako doon sa magsasaka na side, ano, yun yung bias ko kasi, helping the marginalized. They're not supposed to be marginalized.
They're not.
They have the secret to life's
blessings.
blessing and continuity.
Yes.
Diba? And support.
Exactly.
So, bakit sila yung nasa kawawang N ngayon, 'di ba? So dapat alam ko, hindi nawawala ng buhay yan pag pinroses. So bilhin niyo 'to ng mahal sa akin. Dapat ganun yung pero dapat kakilala nila eh. Kung hindi nila kakilala, parang ganito.
The movement is starting to do that, but it's still concentrated
on Western vegetables. Whenever they do organic farming, ang nakatanim lettuce. So sabi ng sa Negros, when I went there, ang tanim naman ng mga farmers ko sa Canlaon, lettuce. Paano kuya ilalauoy? Diba?
Yung luto
kung
natin.
gusto kong magpakita ng sarap ng Negros at magpakita ng lasa ng Negros, lettuce yung binakain ko. Kahit saan akong bahagi ng mundo, pwede ko yung makain.
Iceberg, romaine, diba?
Kung iba yung pinakain ko, na distinctly Negros, then I would always go back there.
Yes.
Diba? And then, it helps affirm people of their culture and bring back dignity. Kasi ganun yung gusto natin. Tayo, lahing mahusay tayo eh. Di ba? Lahat tayo ay isang potential na Pacquiao.
Actually, yes.
Di ba? Ang gagaling natin. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga pinsan ko sa Pampanga. Mahihirap lang kasi galing ako sa isang mahirap na lahi. At yung mga pinsan
mayaman na lahi,
hindi yung pinahirap pero alam mo, ang gagaling nila. Nung bumaha, while everybody's calling for support, sabi ng isang pamangking ko, nakakita siya ng sawa sa bubong nung bahay kubo nila.
Did they do
sabi
with the
niya,
sawa?
Nanay! Sabi niya, gano'n,
ulam! Ulam, okay.
At yung dami ng dagang bukid, alam mo ba, nagsampay sila at nagpindang sila ng maraming dagang bukid at saka sawa doon sa kanilang paligid. Pagkatapos ng tumaba sila.
Right.
Tumaba sila. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay,
we are resilient people.
Kailangan kilala natin what we have and how to use them.
Exactly.
So, kailangan meron tayong ganyan. Halimbawa, when we call for restoration ng Banawe Rice Terraces, pinataba mo na at pinataas yung mga katutubo ng Banawe. Paano ba sila akyat doon?
They're not already the height. Okay, nag-crossbreed na. Nagkaroon na ng vitamins.
You make them grow fat and tall. Then planting rice is never fun. Diba? Dapat naiintindihan
wrong
din na.
size, wrong specs.
Diba? Kasi
Right.
paano sila akyat niya? Walang elevator. Diba? Dapat kasi...
Pan-track and field, mga long strides. Hindi siya pang, yung isang inch, 6 inch, the one you were telling me yesterday, na somebody made a walking path for you na narrow lang. Kung malaki.
When we went up the mountain, we were doing butika ng barangay survey. And I had to go to the farthest barangay na Nueva Vizcaya, and we're a mountain away from Mount Pulag when the rain came at 5 p.m. Tapos, causing landslides. So sabi ko, God, did you send me here to drop me dead? Or there's another lesson
there
I
was
should
a
learn.
reason, yes.
Diba? Another lesson I should learn. So, the midwife who was with me, as well as the driver who was with me and the research assistant that were with me, maliliit lang sila. So, the 4'11 midwife took her payong and then made a
little path.
a footpath this wide.
Footpath, hindi who walk away. Footpath. Isang foot on front of the other. Okay. Yeah, foot. Okay.
Allow a foot to, pass.
Yes.
And they were able to do it. When it was my time, because I'm 5'7 and a half, diba?
Hindi ka pwede mag-planting rice.
Nag-slide siya. So sabi ko sa kanya, God, you help me with this. Promise ko sa'yo, sasabihin ko to whoever I'll talk to.
Okay,
and whenever
this
I
is
go
now.
out,
Tell your GNN
promise
audience
ko,
now.
Diba?
Okay.
So wag natin siya pakialaman. We trust God's
You have to
wisdom on a lot of
surrender. Total.
this. And yung age ngayon, kung ibebenta natin ang Pilipinas, I'm not saying ipoprostitute, kundi ipapakita natin what we
Our
have.
richness.
Ano yung meron tayong yaman? Bakit tayo, yung magandang bayan natin, nag-create ng magagandang tao, mga kababaihang, kayang mga